Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I've finally got a video for you on the Mini Spi rebuild, and boy is it an interesting video for you. Okay, so the main job is to get the engine rebuilt, so that's the first job that we need to do. But while that's happening, you go down there, we bought this gear selector. Oh no, what is it?
Rod change gear selector.
Gear change rod selector from...
Rod change gear selector.
Crap. Oh crap. What is it called? Rod change gear selector from the Stafford Mini Show. The current husband decided to pick the filthiest, dirtiest one that we could get, and that was right at the beginning of the show. And as we continue to walk around, there was better looking ones, but we have got a disgusting, filthy one. So the plan is today to clean it all up, get all the muck off, and then get it bolted onto the car. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, just to give you a bit of a close-up, it is really grimy and dirty. I have got new nuts and bolts to change, new bracket, well, greasy old minging bracket, but we've got new polybush con reels, well, hey, to replace these old dirty ones. So we're going to give it a go and see how clean I can get it.
Eternity later. Later.
Happy Sunday.
To your face.
Oh. Sundays are all about. Who votes that the husband should be cleaning this, and so he picked the filthiest one? Me.
Well, that will get edited because you didn't put the current husband, so it's fine.
I'm not editing that out.
Record as much footage as we can, so that at least then you've got something. It's all about AMSR.
Ooh, hang on, close up of the... This hole is very dirty. That's pretty good. Pretty good? Yeah? Look, that looks a bit suspicious. Clean that bit. Or is it just me? Is that what people are watching for?
You clean that shaft, give it a good rub.
Don't turn this disgusting.
Rodders.
You sicko.
Cleaning the rod.
Got a good grip of the rod.
Yeah.
Oh, that's yours.
Yeah. Let's get the husband in on the action. Little smile, current husband. cleaned up as good as we can get it. Pretty happy with that. I think it looks pretty good. And then we're going to install this, which is the stainless steel gear selector fitting kit from Smithy Bits. I'm going to install that and then pop it all on the car. Job's a good one. I hate using spanners. Honestly, I look so cack-handed. I'd rather do it with my fingers. I'm just going to.
You're on.
Oh. Oh. Right, where's the new ones? Oh. Right, what are these called in?
Cotton.
I need your help. Okay, I'm going to replace the cotton reels first. Ah, magic. Got the current husband to loosen that for me. It was a little bit of a pig. Now we're going to just replace these. Pause. So we're going to put the new cotton reels on. So the whole kit comes with everything that you need from Smithy Bits. So I'm going to pop the washers on. Biddly biddly. And go from there. See you in a mo. Here's the new shiny ones. Okay, pause. Honestly, I'm so slow.
Oh, God,
you got it.
This is the correct one.
You can pass it a bit, that'd be easier. You should push me out the way and do it yourself. That's a good idea. Move, push me, and then you sit over it.
That's what I mean.
Why?
Why did I ask? I literally walked to them. No, that's even.
It's a bit
That's what I messed up.
one.
That's a really way of doing that. You should be proud. Alright, then replace the bolt that goes through. Wow, that's so quick, I'm not even going to see it. That's that in slow-mo. Is there a washer for that?
Didn't have a washer.
Is there a washer? Is there a washer for it?
I don't know. You bought it.
It's all good for content, don't worry. There'll be a big fat one when it gets fat. It's a bit
Here.
yeah.
One in, is it that?
Yeah. That on the end, on that side. And there'll be a split washer on that side. Yeah, from that side, from that side.
So just go through.
Yeah.
Shouting at me. Split one.
Okay, be a flat one first.
Not a split one. Flat one, then a split one, and a bit of grass. Are you sure?
Hmm. That split's too big.
Must have got to do that.
That's too fatty.
There wasn't any on this.
It's almost there first.
Ta-da. Right. Does it go round a particular way?
It does. Should we get it on the car first and find out?
Oh, we got it on. Okay, cool.
You are a wally, you really are.
Can put the bracket on. Just watched a YouTube video of which way around this goes. Apparently it goes this way because then it doesn't catch on the exhaust.
Thanks, Will Murphy.
So, thanks. Hopefully been installing this to the car in a minute because I quite like my dinner. It always takes so much longer than you think it's going to take. Okay, pause. Is it that way up? Right, follow me to the garage. Let's get this done. Join me inside the car. Thanks. Okay, so the current husband is underneath the car. He's about to pass it all through to me, and then we'll get it bolted on, and hopefully we can have some dinner. So here's the current setup, and there it's hopefully appear. Right, we've got to try and get this in.
Put some air around it.
Forward a bit. Oh, back a bit. Back. That's it. Oh, forward slightly. Yeah. Okay, so after a little bit of arguing and a bit of shouting, we've got that bit in. So let's finish off. Okay, just tighten these up. But I am not the best with a spanner, but I'm trying to learn.
Probably be using a ratchet there.
Oh well.
That'll do.
Into the hole. Thank you. I can't do this one-handed. Bear with, 1 second. Okay, I'll admit I've got the husband to do it, but it is in. Ah, burnt bit. Rather rude-looking bit, but it's in. Oh, time for some tea. Right, so the finishing touch, gear knob, but this is the only thing that the husband's particular about putting on the car is an Audi R8 gear knob, and that is the only thing that I have to put on this car. So let's put it on. Ta-da! Oh.
Don't tighten it too much.
There we go. Oh, can you see? Hang on. Let me flick the camera round. There we go.
Could have had it straight.
What the heck? Sorry, husband's being particular. There, it's straight now. Alright. Camera keeps going glitchy. Ta-da! I mean, ignore the rest of the car, but I mean, that's looking pretty special, to be fair. I'm happy with that. Thanks for watching. I know it was super riveting. I am now filthy. Well, you can't really tell. I am. And I'm just pleased that we've actually managed to install one thing on the Mini. Stay tuned. You probably have to wait another few months for the next one, but I'll try and be quicker with this one. But stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Like, subscribe, comment, and all of that. Thank you. Be the current husband.
Not particularly.